Good day and a very warm welcome to yet another MECAD Minute. My name is Raymond and today we'll be looking at a very quick and easy way to acquire or create custom or unique drawing views. The first option will allow us to jump back into the assembly environment, basically pushing and pulling our model into more or less the new or custom orientation. Hitting spacebar on your keyboard will access the new view command, or navigating to the heads up toolbar and dropping down the arrow under your view orientation will allow you to hit the exact same button. Once accessed, we can give it a name and say OK. I can then jump back into the drawing environment, and having a look at the view palette, we can see that a refresh will be in order to have the new view populate. Once that's taken care of, we can see the new view now coming into play. Simple drag and drop to place, and there we have it. The second option can take place right inside of the drawing environment. I'll make a copy of this isometric view and just park it over there. You're going to need to pre-select the view, and having a look at the heads up toolbar, we can see a button stating 3D drawing view. By hitting this option, you can see that I now have the availability to push and pull my model into the new or unique drawing view. I'll show the back of my assembly for further detailing tasks. Hitting the OK will leave that view in that specific unique orientation, or I can also go ahead and save it for future or further detailing tasks. As you guys can see, this is very quick and easy, and I trust this can really assist anyone looking for custom or acquiring unique drawing views. Until next time, please take care.